Have you ever wondered how a small amount of matter can be converted into an enormous amount of energy? Today, we're exploring the groundbreaking equation that changed physics forever, mc². In Einstein's theory of special relativity from 1905, he introduced the idea that mass and energy are equivalent. This means they can be converted into each other under certain conditions. The equation mc² uses joules for energy, kilograms for mass, and the speed of light in meters per second. This shows that even a small amount of mass can be converted into enormous amounts of energy. For example, if you convert just 1 kilogram of matter completely to energy using mc², it would yield approximately 90 petajoules, enough to power over 21 million households for a year. This principle is not just theoretical, it's applied in nuclear reactors and stars. In the sun, hydrogen fuses into helium, releasing energy that keeps Earth warm. Einstein's equation also implies that mass can be thought of as frozen energy. This changes our understanding of the universe, showing how matter and energy are deeply interconnected. Today, mc² SL, mc² SSL, SSS, leading to advancements like PET scans in medicine. It's fascinating how this equation reshaped our view of the world. So there you have it. SMC² not only changed physics, but also opened up new technologies and medical treatments. What aspect of this equation fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments.